THE is a definite article. We read THE sometimes as the and sometimes as the. The rule of THE we discuss in detail, so do watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Phonics. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive further educational videos. THE has two pronunciations, that is the sound and one is the sound. Sometimes we use as the sound and sometimes we use as the sound. The rule is in any of the sentence, if THE is followed by vowels, then we use the sound as the. The pronunciation is the. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So, here we are talking about vowel sounds. If THE is followed by vowel sounds, like A sound is A, E sound is A, I sound is E, O sound is O, U sound is A. If TH is followed by these vowel sounds, then we pronounce THE as the. Let us see few examples for better understanding. Here, this is the list. THE. I don't know how to pronounce, is it as the or the, but TH is followed by vowel sound. A, apple. Here, I will use the sound as the. The apple. TH is followed by a sound. The egg. The ice cream. The orange. The earth. The ant. The engineer. The end. The employees. The eighth. The hour. The actor. So, THE is followed by A, E, I, O, and here H is silent. So, we will pronounce as hour, hour. So, we use THE as the sound. In this verse, TH is followed by vowel sounds. So, we are using the sound as the. Regarding short sound, vowel sounds and consonant sounds, all these I have already made videos. So I will provide that link in the description box. Please do watch that vowel sounds and consonant sounds videos as well. So here we are discussing the sound. If THE is followed by consonant sounds, then we pronounce THE as the. Like these are consonants and the sounds are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonant sounds. Now we will see few examples. THE is followed by consonant sounds. So we will use the sound as the. The lesson, the boy, the dog, the man, the teacher, the cat, the phone, the grasshopper, the store, the bench, the party. So, all these words are starting with consonant sounds. So, we use THE as the sound. And I think you have remembered the story of THE and and THE grasshopper. So there are two THEs. How do we pronounce these THE? As THE is followed by short vowel sound. So we use the sound as the, and here TH is followed by G, which is consonant sound. So we use the sound as the. Now let's read. The ant and the grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper. This is how we pronounce THE. Hope my videos are helping you. If you feel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.